me off guard.
Malalim yan or mababaw, okay lang yan.
I'm having a mental block right now.
Huwag mo na kasing titigan. Meron ba siyang pet peeve? Ano bang pet peeve niya, Linali?
This is kind of deep, I guess. She's terrible at making decisions. That's true.
Not all the time.
Please,
I'm just
I
undecided.
don't know what I want to eat.
Undecided.
Yeah.
Oh,
Tulungan kitang daya mo. Iba yung terrible at making decisions when you're undecided.
Me?
Me.
Or you?
okay mo na lang. Ayan, ikaw naman, accept natin yung sex na yun, Nadine?
He's a cat person.
Defines cats. Mas
I'm a cat person.
talaga. Why you love cats?
I think,
More chill.
yeah, I'm more like a cat.
So you should be J.
Sabi ko na
J
lang.
cat. Not J.
I think cats are
Oh
like...
no, why is your Instagram J-Wolf? If you're a cat, ba't hindi James Cat?
That's a good point.
Diba?
J cat.
No, the wolf means something else. But I like cats. They're like they don't go seeking attention and they're just chill. They sleep all day.
Ayan. Alam niyo na pag nagbago siya James Cat, kasi alam niyo. Alright, 6-all. Last fact.
666.
7th na, James. 7th na. Last, yeah.
Okay. I'm running out. Wait.
Tutulungan ba natin sila?
Okay.
Nalilito ka na.
Yeah.
Last na to, James.
Oh my god.
Or do you want na itong last, you say something about yourself na not all people know? Pero dapat deep, ha? Would you rather choose that or say something again about kay Nadine? We'll give you a choice.
It's hard to think about someone yourself.
Ayan, about Nadine pa rin.
About Nadine. Help me.
Kailangan nila ng teamwork.
Or teamwork na.
Teamwork.
We both love Adventure Time.
Okay, there you go.
Pag-vote. Pagbibigyan ba natin? Vote na lang daw. Yes.
Both na.
Adventure time.
Adventure Time.
Ano ba mga ginawa niyo ng adventures together na hindi niyo makakalimutan?
Oh my God.
Actually,
Dami.
our whole career so far has been an adventure. We both started from nothing and we've come so far. And only she really understands how I feel about this whole change, about the whole rise to where we are now. And I'm the only one who really understands what it feels like for her.
How about you, Nadine?
Yun ako same. Pero, of course, ang masaya kasi doon, hindi lang kami yung nandun sa mga adventures niya, may mga kasama din kami iba. So it's more fun pag marami kami. But then, kami kasi yung palaging magkasama. So, lahat, all the concerts, mall shows, projects, shoots, everything, lahat po yun super saya.
Ayun na.
Adventure na adventure siya talaga.
Wow. So, we're looking forward to more adventure time together. So, palakpakan naman natin ang JV. Congratulations! You made it!